Well, we just got the new turntable in and installed it yesterday. And I put this 1957 Corvette on here for the first car on our new turntable. This car came out of Idaho Falls, and I think it lived its whole life in Idaho Falls. It is a stunning 1957 Corvette. I mean, it is beautiful. Thing is just super nice. It runs good. It drives good. It does everything very nicely. You'll be impressed with how nice this is. This is a frame-off car. They shipped the frame to California to have it cleaned and powder-coated. I mean, that's just the way they did this car, redoing it. And again, it's just gorgeous. You can just see how nice it is. And it's sure nice to have the turntable back again. I miss it. This one is really neat because we can turn the speed down slow like this, and we can turn it up faster if we want to. And we can do it in different directions. So anyway, we just got this in, and it's a stunning car. Draeger's Classics in Burlington, Washington, right off of I-5, so people can see this car or other cars we put on the turntable going around.